Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable bunny eggs. So I started by taking my white rabbit and my white thread and I began wrapping it. I started at the base with a dot of glue and then I kind of started wrapping it in a spiral and continued that spiral until about halfway up. Once I got halfway, I cut it in half and then began to spiral around the ears. I found that if you start from both edges and meet in the middle, the spiral looks a lot nicer. So once I got one ear done, I wrapped up the other side and then cut off at the top and then began wrapping down the middle again until I met in the center. And then I continued wrapping until it was completely covered. Then I did the same thing to the pink bunny with my pink thread and to the egg with my brown. In the final step, I took my two pom-poms and glued them onto my bunny eggs to give them a cute little bunny tail. Now the wrapping takes a lot of time, but I think it's definitely worth it. Thanks for watching.